Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use auto beat sync in CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Here tap on new project and then select your video. Now add it to your timeline, and in here let's add audio. Here you guys can find out a lot of options. You guys can extract audio from your device, or you can use the audio that are available in CapCut app. You can also use audios from TikTok app, and here I'm going to use audios from my device. And then if you scroll like this, you guys can find out this option beats. If you tap on here, then you guys can find out the beat, and tap on here, then it will be allowed to use the auto beat sync. Here you guys can find out the beat. And here I'm going to split the video when the beat happened, and then at the ending I'm going to add keyframes, and then scroll like this. Here I'm going to remove the opacity, and then I'm going to split them. You guys can find out your video with this auto beat. Now add transition between the clips. And here I'm going to apply it to all. So this is how you guys can use auto beat sync in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.